Are you looking for the best kayaks? In this video we will look at some of the best kayaks on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Tandem Kayak with 2 aluminium paddle. Duty construction crafted from puncture-proof, water-resistant PVC. This tandem kayak supports up to 507 pounds. Comfortable seating features 2 padded EVA seats with backrests for a cozy fishing or touring experience. Easy setup and portability. Comes with a hand pump and 3 air chambers for quick inflation, plus a carry handle for easy transport. Complete set and storage includes 2 aluminium paddles, 2 seats, 2 fins, a carry bag, and a repair kit for a complete kayaking solution. Versatile storage features a zipper bag behind seats and bungee cords for convenient storage of gear. Number 2. Excursion Pro Inflatable Kayak. 3-ply laminate construction combined with super strong enhanced molecular formulation PVC provides superior structural strength and unmatched resistance to damage from abrasion, impact and sunlight, while allowing more pressure for rigidity. High pressure inflation provides extra rigidity and stability, with spring-loaded valves for easy inflation and fast deflation. The 2 removable skigs included allows for optimal maneuverability in deep or shallow water. Extra space in the bow and stern allows for storing any necessities for your adventure. Stainless steel D-rings also allow the safety and ease of tying down dry bags and gear. Inflated size is 12.7 feet x 3.1 feet x 1.6 feet with a weight capacity of 400 pounds, which can be used solo or tandem. Easily foldable to be put in the carry bag that allows for easy transportation. Number 3. 68307 Ep Explorer K2 Inflatable Kayak. Lightweight and compact, this kayak is easy to assemble and, with the Boston valve, it inflates and deflates in minutes. Paddles come apart and the pieces can be conveniently stored with the boat in the included carrying bag, allowing you to take the fun of kayaking wherever you go. Explorer K2 Kayak is great for experiencing lakes and mild rivers with a friend. This kayak is sporty and fun with a streamlined design for easy paddling. With the bright yellow color and sporty graphics, this makes the kayak highly visible in the water. Made with rugged vinyl construction and built for performance, this sturdy kayak has an inflatable I-beam floor, a low-profile deck, and high buoyancy side chambers for stability, comfort, and function. The removable skeg provides exceptional directional movement. Number 4. Challenger Inflatable Kayak. Super strong enhanced molecular formulation PVC provides superior strength and durability, ensuring high impact and abrasion resistance. The Challenger K2 has a streamlined low-profile design that is perfect for easy paddling in lakes and mild rivers. Built with removable and adjustable seats, the cockpit design is spacious and comfortable, providing plenty of room for your legs and gear. Attached to the underside of the kayak, the removable skeg provides directional stability, making it easier to maintain a straight and steady course while paddling. Inflated size is 11.6 feet x 2.6 feet x 1.3 feet with a weight capacity of 400 pounds and easily foldable to be put in the carry bag that allows for easy transportation. Number 5. Colorado 2-person inflatable fishing kayak. 18-gauge PVC construction. Rugged and lake use friendly. 1000D tarpaulin bottom and 840D nylon cover, provides durable puncture protection. Multiple air chambers, allows another chamber to stay inflated if one is punctured. High quality inflatable kayak, ideal for fishing and lake adventures. Adjustable seats and carry handle, for comfort and easy transport. Versatile use, comes with paddle and rod holders. Can fit trolling motor. International product, separate terms and conditions apply.